Creating and managing student accounts is fast and easy with uBoost's new administration interface. Let's get started. Begin by logging in. Next, click the Manage Site tab. To create and manage student accounts, click the Manage Students tab. Before you begin creating student accounts, create groups that complement your organization's operations and student structure. You will be able to print login cards, view reports, and export data based on the groups you create. To create a new group, click the Groups sub-tab, and then click the New Group button. Enter the group name, and then click the Save button. After all of your groups have been created, you may begin creating student accounts. To create single student accounts, click on the Student sub-tab. Then click the New Student button. Enter the student's information, select the group name from the drop-down menu, and click the Save button when you are done. To save time, use the Import tool to create many student accounts by clicking on the Import Students button. Start by downloading uBoost's pre-formatted import template. Enter student names and usernames into the template. You can also import students into the groups you created by entering the group ID number in the column labeled Group ID. This number is found on the Groups sub-tab next to your group's names. If you leave the password field blank, the system will create them for you. Save the file to your computer. Then import it by clicking the Choose File button. And then click the Import button. Let your students know that you have created accounts for them by printing and distributing login cards. To print the login cards, click the search button located on top of the student's page. You can print login cards for students in specific groups and refine your search by entering a date in the Created Before or After section. After you have entered your search requirements, click the Search button, and then click the Print Login Cards button. You may also print a report containing your students' usernames, passwords, email addresses, and points information. Start by entering your search requirements on the Student Search menu. Click the Export button to view your report as a spreadsheet. If you need to make a quick edit to a student's account information, such as resetting a password, contact information, rewards catalog, or group, search for the student using the Search tool on the student page. Click the Search button and enter the student's username, first or last name, to search for the student's account. Click the Edit button, make your changes, and then click the Save button. You can also view student redemptions by clicking on the redemption link next to the student's name. If an error was made in awarding student points, you can also make point adjustments to students' accounts by clicking on the Points link next to the student name. Then, click on the Give, Take Points button. To make a positive adjustment, enter a point value, then a description, and then click the Give button. To make a deduction, enter a point value, and then a description, and then click the Take button. As you can see, creating and managing student accounts is fast and easy.